So you still can't find purpose in your life after retirement. You've done the things people told you to do. You picked up a hobby. You joined a club or something similar. Maybe you volunteered or took on a new role. And for a while it helped. If that is you, then there is a reason, and it's not that you haven't found the right activity yet. It's something almost nobody talks about. But more on that in a moment. Welcome back to the campfire. Pull up a chair. I'm Yolandi and this is your campfire coach. In my last video, we talked about why you feel lost after retirement, even when life looks good. The short answer was this. For years, your work gave you a sense of mattering every single day. And when that ended, no one handed you a new one. Well, the obvious fix is to go and find a new one. A new activity, a new role. Something to matter through again. And you've tried. So why on earth hasn't it worked? Now that's what today is about. Here is what nobody tells you. When you go looking for something to replace what work gave you, you're still measuring it with the old ruler. For decades, useful meant something big. A job title, a team who needed you, a caseload, a company, a paycheck that proved your worth. You mattered at scale, and you could see it. So, now you retire and you do something small. You help a neighbor, you mind the grandchildren, you plant a garden, and a quiet voice says, "Oh, that's nice, but it's not the same. It doesn't count, not really. It's too small." Shut that voice up. That voice is the problem, not the activity. You are measuring a brand new life with an old ruler. A ruler built for a career at the size of an institution. And nothing you do in retirement will ever be big enough for that ruler. So everything you try feels like it falls short. Let me say that again, because this is the whole thing. You don't have a purpose problem. You have a measuring problem. The reason you can't find purpose is that you're still measuring it at the scale of a job you no longer have. Now here's where it turns. Nobody ever sat you down and asked if you agreed with that ruler. You didn't choose it. It was handed to you. By your career, by the world, by decades of being told your worth is your output. You just never had a reason to question it. Until now. So let's do something small right now. Think of one thing you did in the last few days that made someone else's day a little bit better. It can be tiny, a phone call, a kind word, listening to someone who needed it. Got one? Hold it in your mind. Now, the old ruler says that doesn't count. Too small, doesn't matter. I want you to try on a different thought just for a second. What if that was the real thing? What if being useful was never about the size of it, and always about the simple fact that you made someone's day better? because that is the truth I had to learn the hard way. Being useful is not a job title. It's any small act in a day that makes someone else's day better. That one shift is the ground everything else stands on. I know this because I lived the wrong version of it for a long time. When I retired, I went looking for something big to replace what I had lost. I stayed busy. I chased the next project, the next plan, anything that felt important. And that was never enough, because I was still trying to feed the old ruler. The day things changed was not the day I found a bigger activity. It was the day that I put the old ruler down. Now, I'm not going to pretend one video undoes decades of measuring yourself against that big ruler. It doesn't. But here's the part that changes everything. And that's where we're going next. The thing that made you useful all those years did not retire when you did. Your values are still in you, every one of them. They didn't leave. They just lost the stage they used to stand on, and a stage can be rebuilt. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how your values survive retirement and why the stage is the only thing that actually changed. So, do two things for me. First, subscribe and sit by the fire with me. This is the season of life I make these videos for. Second, watch the next one on why your values don't retire, only the stage changes. It's the piece that turns all of this from an idea into something you can actually do. And if you'd rather talk it through with someone directly, there's a link below to book a free chat with me. For now, thank you for sitting with me. Put the old ruler down just for tonight. You've been measuring a whole new life with the wrong one. I'll see you at the next fire.